Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. I'm back with another text effect from Hobbit movie. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply this template to your text and have this as your logo without spending too much time or any special knowledge of Photoshop in less than a couple of minutes. If you want to download this, all you gotta do is go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and use this and hundreds of other text effects categorized by movies, games, and other categories, and use it in your projects. Okay, let's get straight to the video. Right click on the yellow layer and select Edit Content. In the new window, all you gotta do, double click on the text layer. But before anything else, let me show you to how the real text is. As you can see here, characters in this logo are not the same size. That's why we did the same thing here. Our characters are from different sizes. Okay. For the copyright, we couldn't exactly copy it, but we wrote something else. If you want to type something, size of these characters are different. Just look at that. But keep this in mind that if you want to do exactly the same things, you gotta type character by character. For example, legend with different sizes. But when the characters are not the same line, go to line height, select it and put it up or down. You can also change the size from text size here. You can also change the layer spacing from here. You can change the layer space. Everything is totally customizable and without any limit. Okay. Okay. I think it's good. All we gotta do, go to File and select Save. As you can see, easy peasy. Our text has been applied to this logo. And just look at the size. It's very, very high resolution. You can use it wherever you want in any project. Look at this size. For 1500 to 3000 pixel, very high resolution. Next thing is this line of these letters here, the size of these letters. Okay, look at this. First letters and the ending letters, it's a little bit customized, not for the font, but our font is as close as possible. But if you want to do that, I'm going to show you. Let me put it here to show you what we're talking about. Okay, after you imported your text or anything else, right click and go to Convert to Shape. Okay, select Direct Selection Tool or press A. Okay, I'm gonna make the H letter a little bit big. I'm gonna select it. As you can see in this area, I selected these areas. As you can see, these areas has been selected. Okay. Press Shift and like down key on your keyboard. Press Shift and press down button. We can do the same thing with T. Select. I want to select them. Shift plus down arrow. Okay. Easy peasy, right? Piece of cake. I'm gonna close the other one. I'm gonna close it and save it, and there it is. Exactly the same and exactly identical as the original logo. You can also change this text and type your own text. Okay. In the background, we got a background image. You can turn it up and down and on. We got, if you want to have this as transparent, turn off background too. So you got a transparent logo and use this in any project with a high resolution, high detail. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to download this template, all you gotta do is go to hyperpixel.net and grab a premium account and use this and hundreds of other text effects in your next projects. Okay, I'll see you in another video.